Hello and welcome to GraniteCityElectric.com. In this video we will review two account features, our QuickBuy Groups and Product Groups. The first step will be to log in or sign in. Once you get to your My Account page, you'll see QuickBuy Groups and Product Groups. We're going to start with QuickBuy Groups. And our QuickBuy Groups are groups of products that are frequently purchased together for a specific project. These are groups that we've put together on the back end and are globally available to all customers with a login. I'm going to click on one to show you how they display. So this is what a typical QuickBuy group looks like. It's a list of items frequently purchased together. You can go to the left-hand side and add quantities that you need for each. And you can just tab to go down. And you can pick and choose whatever you need for your job. Once you've added quantities for the items you need, you can click Add to Cart or Product Groups to create your own product group with these items. For now, we're going to add to cart. Once you've added your QuickBuy items to your cart, you can continue on with the checkout process outlined in another video that we have on our help page. So now I'm going to go over creating your own product groups for your specific jobs or projects. To get back to your My Account page, you can click on your name here, top right-hand corner. If you click on product groups, this is where all your product groups will reside. This is a list of product groups that you can name based on how you'd like to organize your products. And once you click on your product groups, just like the QuickBuy groups, you'll see a list of items in that group. So today I'm going to show you how to add products to your product groups. If you need extra help at any point in time, there's actually this little help button, and it outlines the process of adding items to your product group. For today's purposes, I'm going to click on a category, but you can also search using the search bar. So I see the items here. If you already know this is the item you need, you can add a 1 or whatever quantity you need. And then you click on product groups. And then you can add the product to whatever product group you would like, or you can create a new product group at this point in time. So I'm going to add that item to my first product group. Now, if you're not sure if this is the item you need and you need to click in to dig in further, you can click to the product page. Here on the product page, you can add to group right here. Again, pick the list you need, or you can create a new one at this point, and you're done. Now you can click back to your account. And at that point, click on product groups, and you'll see the items that we've added to the project. If you're ready to buy these items, you can click on the little order checkbox and then add to cart. When you're ready, you can click on your cart to check out. If you have any questions or you need a login, please reach out to us, GCE_webmaster@GraniteCityElectric.com. Thank you.